Okay, this is Cumberland Gap Part 2. In the previous video, we talked about Cumberland Gap. It's a song that uses a lot of double stops, especially between the second finger on the D string and the open A, like this. We talked a little bit about the slide. I said don't worry about it. If you want to work on that in the future after you've just learned the melody of the song, that's fine. So let me play for you what we got, the point to which we got to in the previous video. We learned this. We learned... So we're practicing that. We're trying to get that down. Okay, let's practice that one more time slowly, then we're going to move on, all right? I'm going to show you my hands here. This is all happening on the G, D, and A string. Let's do it again. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A. Good. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. The second part of Cumberland Gap, at least the rendition that we're working on, is essentially a repeat of that, but we're going to add a couple different changes to. So listen to this. I'm going to play the song through briefly, then we're going to move on. Okay, so this is Cumberland Gap Parts 1 and 2. You know this part already? It says it repeats. This is where it's going to change. We get to that part, the open A. That's where it's going to change. We're going to do it kind of a little, what's the word I want to use? We're going to do a little slur between the open A and the B, the first finger on the A string. So we're going to play this. We know this part. Practice that. All one bow stroke. So let's play it all together. It's going to go to second finger on the D string. So we're going to add that. Play that. Second finger on the D string. Let's play that. Let's play it all together. Do that one more time. First finger on the D string is where we're going to go to. Let's play that again. I'm going to start from the little slur on the A string. Again. Again. One bow stroke. One bow stroke. From the slur on the A string. Again. Here's a good A ball. Again. And we're going to kind of go, it sort of reminds me of the first part of the song. We're going to go to the second finger on the G string, okay? You're going to go to that B on the G string, all right? So from the slur on the A string, we're going to do this. Second finger on the G string. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open D. After that, we're just do this. So let's play the B part of the song. What we have, Cumberland Gap, is like this. Actually, let's go ahead and play the entire part because you know the first part already. We have this. Slur. Repeats. hopefully the structure is making sense here. So this is what I call the first part of Cumberland Gap is this. Second part is like this. So I would suggest playing both these parts. Rewind this video as many times as you need. That's the structure. It's like you 1, 1, repeat. So you're going like this. You do part 1. Part 2. Repeat from the beginning. And what you want to be working on, we're doing staccato bow strokes, but you want to work on double stops. And we can work on embellishments in the future, but a great and easy embellishment to do would just be working on that slide and working on those double stops. That's what I suggest you practice. Until next time.